Hey guys, my name is Alex. I'm with Beachside Custom Vans, and today I'm very excited to show you a tour of this brand new van that we just finished. It is a Mercedes Sprinter 144 wheelbase all-wheel drive. It's one of our first spec vans that we've done in a while, and it will be available for sale very soon. So watch the whole video to find out more information on it. This van is a brand new 2023 Mercedes Sprinter van, all-wheel drive on a 144 wheelbase, and comes with tons of factory packages like the comfort package, driver convenience package, premium package, swivel seat package, and 360 parking package. The first thing you'll notice is how tall this van is. We installed Agile's off-road rip kit, as well as Bilstein front shocks. We also installed Black Rhino 17-inch wheels and KO2 BF Goodrich tires on 34s. This van comes with factory sliding door window. We also swapped out the door track for a black one to make it more of a uniform look. We also installed flares with bunk windows on either side, so it gives you the ability to sleep wall to wall very comfortably. On the driver's side, we installed this AM Auto full-size window with a half slider, so you could open and close it as you please. It also has a screen on the inside too, which is really nice. Then we installed our water fill inlet so you could fill your tank, as well as our shore power inlet so you could charge your EcoFlow power unit. We also installed this Backwoods Adventure Mods side ladder that gives you access to your Backwoods Adventure Mods roof rack. Mounted on the roof rack is two 100-watt solar panels, as well as a 52-inch light bar. Let's check out the back. On the rear, we installed this tire carrier from Off-Grid Fabrications. There's also a factory tow hitch, as well as this factory step for easier access to get in and out of the garage and grab storage as well. Now let's check out the interior. Before we continue to the inside of the tour, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We are a fully custom camper van builder based out of Jacksonville, Florida. Work with all different types of people and styles. We also have our Instagram and website. Links will all be down below. Now let's get back into the tour. Now, one of my favorite parts of this van is the Amp Research electric side steps. So smooth, so sleek, and also extremely functional. They're one of the lowest side steps to be able to step in this really tall van. As mentioned previously, these are swivel seats that come from the factory. They're really nice because they come with lower bases, so aftermarket seats will tend to lift you up a little bit. It's kind of an uncomfortable drive, so factory swivel seats are amazing. With that, we mounted a Laguna table mount off of the passenger base, so it allows the table to go between both seats. A perfect place to eat, hang out with your partner, friend, family, whoever it is. So on the passenger side, we have kitchen cabinets. We have our Dometic 110 fridge freezer combo, really big to store all your goods in here. We also have plenty of storage, bunch of drawers, all on soft close hinges, and then over 6 feet of countertop space. And on this side, we have our composting toilet. And just above the driver's side kitchen cabinets, we have more storage with overhead cabinets. We have beautiful inlaid epoxy faces and plenty of storage in here for whatever you need, soft goods, food, and things like that. Also, on the passenger side, we have another 6 feet of overhead storage. Same faces, beautiful faces that actually match the countertops as well. On the driver's side, we have even more cabinets, extra storage, even more countertop space, a big deep sink with a pull-down faucet. We also have more drawer storage and a spice rack. Again, all these are on soft close hinges. Just above the passenger kitchen cabinets, we have our control center. We have dimmers for the lights, switches for your water pump, water tank light, water release valve, 120 volt outlet, switch for your water pump, and your EcoFlow control unit. You'll be able to control all your AC and DC power on here, as well as you can see the state of charge and how much power you have left. So moving to the bedroom, we have a trimmed queen size mattress to fit the flares. It could fit a 6'6" person pretty comfortably. Just above the bed, we have a Max Air fan, as well as we have a Rec Pro 48 volt heater and AC, which is really nice for comfort control. Now let's check out the garage. We have a massive garage, so you can bring anything you want to bring with you. Bikes, gear, chairs, towels, whatever it is, plenty of storage back here. On the right side, we have our EcoFlow power system. It's a 5 kilowatt hour battery bank with a power hub, as well as a distribution panel. We also have 120 volt outlets and 12 volt outlets on the side of the box, and a switch for a light in the garage. On the left side, we have our water system. We have an outdoor shower, access panel to get to your plumbing if you ever needed to service it, 4-gallon Bosch hot water heater, and all services, a 32-gallon freshwater tank. So this pretty much concludes our tour. Again, this van is one of our spec vans. It will be for sale very soon, and it won't last long. This is one of our first spec vans we've done in over a year, and super proud of how it came out. If you want more information on this van or information on a custom build, please reach out to me via email at alex@beachsidecustomvans.com. Thank you again for watching.